Hello children. Today we will learn factorization by splitting the middle term, and we are dealing with uh, quadratic uh, quadratic trinomials. Trinomials are uh, algebraic expressions which are of three terms, and in these trinomials you will get it of the degree 2. Now let's look at it. What does that mean? You will have a quadratic trinomial which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic trinomial. And you have two variables in x, which is this one and this one, x square and x. And then you have a c, which is a variable, but it is called a constant because you will have only a number here. So in this context, we will see that a, b are called coefficients. What are they called? They are called coefficients. And a is the coefficient of x squared and b is the coefficient of x. So that is the form of a quadratic trinomial. Now when you are factorizing this, it is very important for you to split the middle term. So that is why they always say that when you factorize a quadratic trinomial, you need to split the middle term. And when you split the middle term, you have to follow certain rules, which I will simplify for you. Remember that we are dealing with a chapter that would be helpful for you, so that's why I've put it in video. And children, please don't forget to subscribe and do not forget to hit the like button. And now let's look at this. You have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and a and b are the coefficients, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant. And just write that for your understanding. C is a constant. Now let me just show you how do you split the middle term without having any problem. Alright, so I rub this now. Let's look at a problem. If I say factorize 2x squared plus 9x plus 10. So here you have your coefficient of x squared as 2 and your constant as 10, and your middle term, which is the coefficient of x, is 9. So a is your 2, b is 9, and c is 10. We discussed that just a while back. Now here we need to split the middle term, and how do we do that? So my easy step is this one. You look at 2 and you look at 10, which means a and c. You multiply a and c, which means 2 into 10, you get 20. Alright? Now, what number do you need to split the middle term is in the factorization of 20. You factorize it in such a way that when you multiply, you get 4 into 5, you get 20. And if you add them, you get 9. So which means you've already managed to split the middle term, and you go ahead and you write it as 2x squared, then put plus 4, but there's an x there, so let's put an x there, and then plus 5x plus 10. So now you have managed to split the middle term into 4x plus 5 as in this way. So now we need to factorize the first two terms and the last two terms. Alright, so let's look at the first two terms. If I write 2x squared, it can be written as 2 into x into x. This is for your starters. Later you will be able to do it mentally, but right now let's go slow. And then 4x is equal to 2 into 2 into x. Now you will see the common factors here is 2 with this 2 and x with this x. They are common. So for every pair that is common, all right, these two are common, these two are common, I take both of them out and I write here 2x. What is left is these two, the non-common ones. So draw a bracket, put this x here, and verify 2x into x is 2x squared. Bring down your plus, and then you see the 2 is left, so I put 2 there, and verify again. 2x into plus 2x will be plus 4x. Now I look again at 5x. 5x is equal to 5 into x. 10 is equal to, just put 5 first, into 2. And I see that my common factors is 5. So I put here plus 5. And what is left is x plus 2. Now if you verify 5 into x is 5x, 5 into plus 2 is plus 10. You will notice that this and this, which are in bracket, is the same. So let's take the non-common out first. I'll have 2x plus 5 into x plus 2. The common one, just take once. And that is your answer. So if you go to exercise 7D on page 102, you will be able to follow this procedure and do the splitting of the middle term of factorizing a quadratic trinomial.